Gouache, Goake, Gouache, Wahase, the G is silent. Gouache. How many vowels does a word need? Public service announcement, it's gouache, gouache, gouache. We can thank the French because it is a French word. Gouache is most certainly French because only the French can add that many vowels to a word. God bless them. But I would like to tell you why I think it is the awesomest. First of all, in the lineup of water-soluble paints, watercolor is transparent and not permanent. Acrylic can be semi-transparent and is permanent. Gouache, the regular kind of gouache, is water-soluble, opaque, and it will also be reactivated with water. However, acrylic gouache, which is my particular poison, acrylic gouache is like acrylic in that it becomes fixed, like you can't reactivate it later with water. But unlike acrylic, it is matte, buttery, and chalky. I would love to go out into the woods and paint the plein air with the gouache. Merci. Chateauneuf-du-Pape. Beef bourguignon. Ménage à trois.
Do you hear the people sing, singing the song of angry men? It is the song of those who are singing and who won't be slaves again. They are singing in the street, and they are marching to the beat. It is a really good movie if you get the chance to see it.